Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and today's video is brought to you by Fair and Up. I'm here with the wonderful Jasmine of Get Caked, and we're going to show you how to make Yoda.
Yoda pancake art today, okay?
I feel like this one's hard. Like, this is probably like one of the more complicated things to draw.
Yeah, so I gotta be honest, his ears, okay? It's a little bit different, so the details are gonna be a little bit more, prevalent in these pancakes specifically, but we're gonna try to add some different colors and really make it as close as we can.
How hard is it to flip Yoda?
He's going to be a bigger pancake. So all in all, I'm telling you, I think the ears are going to throw me off a little bit, but I may need your help to flip this pancake.
I'll use the force.
You're going to use the force on this one. So he's going to help me flip the pancake, but we're going to go ahead and get started making Yoda for you guys.
Let's do it.
Yeah, this one we actually did a May the 4th be with you party for Jam City.
Nice.
Yeah. Yoda's eyes, brown or black?
I want to see brown.
Yeah, like a deep brown is what I was thinking.
You said the ears are the challenging part of Yoda.
Yeah.
Is it because they're pointy, like they might break off when you flip?
Mm-hmm. It's just more of like his ears are a lot bigger than usual. And then we crank him up. And it's just a bunch of this the whole time. So like whenever we're at events and we start doing this and everybody's like fumbling their phones and they're like, wait. And it's like, whoa, you wait. I'm not gonna do this without telling you, I promise. We'll get beat up if we do that. People get aggro at us like, yeah, you flipped that. I was supposed to get it on video. Are you ready for the flip? Go ahead and give me a countdown.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Slide, flip.
Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I thought the ear was gonna come off.
He looks
dude,
pretty
that
big.
looks so cool. That looks so good.
Thank you. So we just made Yoda as a pancake. Yoda, he looks delicious. what flavor would Yoda be?
I believe Yoda is a matcha pancake.
He is a matcha tea pancake. That is very appropriate for
it's
Yoda.
Like, it's very zen, it's the right flavor, and it colors it all at the same time. You get all three, all in one.
All right, can you give me your best Yoda impression right now?
I really can't. I'm
right.
horrible at impressions, sorry.
That's all right.
Anyway, if you want to make this pancake or any of the other pancake art that you've seen on the channel, where can they get the kit to do that?
All right, so you guys can actually pre-order the kit. We're gonna direct you to Fairen Up, our website, and it's gonna contain everything that you need to make pancake art, your one-stop shop. So your bottles, it's gonna come with colors, some videos for you guys, and again, the whole point is to play with your food and make some art with friends and family.
Definitely. You'll find the link in the show notes. If you make Yoda, send us a photo. We want to see. You can tag us on Twitter at Jerry James Stone, at GetCakedLA. Tell us what flavor you would make Yoda. We definitely want to know. And we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.